In today's digital age, leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game changer in various aspects of our lives, including financial opportunities. One such innovative tool that is revolutionizing the way we earn money online is Chat GPT. By harnessing the power of AI, particularly Chat GPT, individuals can unlock a plethora of income-generating possibilities right from the comfort of their homes. In this video, we will delve into a simple yet effective trick that can potentially help you earn $1,500 per week using Chat GPT for online income. Exploring the concept of leveraging AI, specifically Chat GPT for financial gain, opens up a world of possibilities for individuals seeking to boost their income streams. Chat GPT, with its advanced natural language processing capabilities, allows users to interact with AI in a conversational manner, making it an ideal tool for generating income through various online platforms. By highlighting the potential of earning $1,500 per week through a simple trick utilizing Chat GPT, we aim to showcase the immense opportunities that exist in the AI-driven landscape of today. This easy, high-yield money-making strategy not only demonstrates the power of AI in enhancing our financial prospects, but also underscores the importance of staying abreast of technological advancements to capitalize on lucrative opportunities in the digital realm. Join us as we uncover the secrets to maximizing your earning potential with ChatGPT and pave the way for a successful online income journey. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's cutting-edge AI technology, is a versatile language model that excels in understanding and generating human-like text. At its core, ChatGPT utilizes a deep learning architecture to process and respond to text inputs in a conversational manner, making it a valuable tool in the realm of AI technology. In the context of making money online, ChatGPT plays a pivotal role in enabling individuals to leverage its capabilities for income generation. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand context, generate coherent responses, and engage users in meaningful conversations. This makes it an ideal candidate for various online money-making applications. From content creation and copywriting to customer support and chatbot services, ChatGPT can be utilized in a myriad of ways to generate income online. By automating repetitive tasks, providing personalized responses, and enhancing user experiences, ChatGPT offers a scalable and efficient solution for individuals looking to monetize their online presence. Successful applications of ChatGPT in the online money-making space include chatbot services for e-commerce websites, personalized content generation for digital marketing campaigns, and virtual assistant services for businesses. These examples demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of ChatGPT in driving revenue and enhancing productivity in various online ventures. As we delve deeper into the capabilities and applications of ChatGPT, we uncover the endless possibilities it offers for individuals seeking to capitalize on AI technology for financial gain. Implementing the ChatGPT trick. Embarking on the journey to earn $1,500 per week using the ChatGPT trick is a straightforward yet powerful method to boost your online income. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of implementing this trick and unlocking your earning potential with ChatGPT. 1. Choose the right platform. Start by selecting a platform that integrates ChatGPT for online interactions, such as chatbot services, content creation tools, or virtual assistant applications. 2. Engage with users. Utilize ChatGPT to engage with users in a conversational manner, providing valuable information, assistance, or entertainment based on their queries or needs. 3. Monetize your interactions. Implement a monetization strategy by offering premium services, products, or content through ChatGPT interactions to generate revenue from your online engagements. Tips for maximizing earnings. Personalize interactions. Tailor your responses and recommendations to each user's preferences and interests to enhance engagement and increase conversion rates. Optimize performance. Continuously monitor and analyze the effectiveness of your ChatGPT interactions to identify areas for improvement and maximize your earnings potential. Experiment with different strategies. Explore various approaches and techniques to find the most effective ways to monetize your ChatGPT interactions and optimize your income generation. The simplicity and effectiveness of the ChatGPT trick for online income generation lie in its ability to automate tasks, engage users in meaningful conversations, and drive revenue through personalized interactions. By following these steps and implementing best practices, you can harness the power of ChatGPT to earn $1,500 per week and elevate your online income to new heights. Case studies and success stories. Witness the transformative power of Chat GPT in driving online income as we showcase real-life examples of individuals who have harnessed this innovative tool to achieve financial success. These testimonials and case studies highlight the tangible benefits and outcomes of leveraging Chat GPT for online income generation, inspiring viewers with the potential of this method. Case Study 1. Sarah, a freelance writer, utilized Chat GPT to streamline her content creation process and offer personalized writing services to clients. By integrating Chat GPT into her workflow, Sarah saw a 30% increase in productivity and a 40% boost in client satisfaction, leading to a significant rise in her monthly earnings. Case Study 2. John, an e-commerce entrepreneur, implemented Chat GPT as a virtual assistant on his website to provide instant customer support and personalized product recommendations. Through Chat GPT's interactive capabilities, John witnessed a 25% increase in sales conversion rates and a 50% reduction in customer inquiries, resulting in a substantial growth in his online revenue. These success stories exemplify the financial gains and positive outcomes that individuals can achieve by leveraging Chat GPT for online income. By tapping into the power of AI technology and embracing innovative solutions, these individuals have not only enhanced their earning potential, but also revolutionized their approach to online business. As you delve into these inspiring case studies and success stories, envision the possibilities that await you in the realm of Chat GPT-driven income generation. Let these real-life examples serve as a testament to the transformative impact of Chat GPT and motivate you to explore new horizons in your online income journey. Tips for sustained earnings. Ensuring a consistent income stream using Chat GPT requires strategic planning, adaptability, and a proactive approach to maximize your earning potential. Here are practical tips and advice to help you maintain a steady income flow and scale up your earnings beyond $1,500 per week through Chat GPT. 1. Optimize Chat GPT usage. Regularly update your Chat GPT models to leverage the latest advancements in AI technology and enhance the quality of your interactions. Experiment with different conversation styles, tones, and responses to keep users engaged and interested in your services. Utilize analytics tools to track performance metrics, identify trends, and optimize your Chat GPT usage for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. 2. Adapt to market changes. Stay informed about market trends, consumer preferences, and industry developments to adapt your Chat GPT strategies accordingly. Monitor competitor activities and user feedback to identify areas for improvement and stay ahead of the curve in the online market. Embrace flexibility and innovation in your approach to meet evolving demands and maintain a competitive edge in the online space. 3. Scale up earnings. Diversify your income streams by offering premium services, upselling products, or expanding your target audience to increase revenue opportunities. Collaborate with other Chat GPT users or businesses to explore partnership opportunities, cross-promotion strategies, and joint ventures for scaling up earnings. Invest in continuous learning, skill development, and AI training to unlock new capabilities, expand your service offerings, and elevate your income potential beyond the $1,500 per week mark. By implementing these tips and strategies for sustained earnings using Chat GPT, you can build a resilient income stream, adapt to market dynamics, and propel your earnings to new heights in the ever-evolving landscape of online income generation. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. You can also stick around and watch other videos that might interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from. As we conclude our exploration of using Chat GPT for online income generation and the potential to earn $1,500 per week, let's recap the key points discussed and inspire you to take action towards unlocking your earning potential in the digital realm. Throughout this video, we have highlighted the numerous benefits and possibilities of leveraging Chat GPT as a powerful tool for driving online income. From streamlining tasks and enhancing user interactions to scaling up earnings and adapting to market changes, Chat GPT offers a wealth of opportunities for individuals seeking to boost their financial prospects in the AI-driven landscape. Now is the time to seize the opportunity and embark on your journey towards earning $1,500 per week using Chat GPT. By implementing the strategies, tips, and best practices shared in this video, you can pave the way for a sustainable and lucrative income stream that aligns with your goals and aspirations. We encourage you to take the first step towards exploring the presented method, experimenting with Chat GPT, and discovering the endless possibilities it offers for online income generation. Start your journey today and unlock the potential to earn $1,500 per week with Chat GPT by your side.